Hi guys, so today I am at Pep Lurie's Fountain. You can ask me anything. Before close, I am at Baby Shakes. And first you're gonna do the girls. That is cute. It is for 60 rand. Purple is on special. It's for maybe 25. That is cute. It's for 70 rand. With more of these. Oh, it's combined. Two of these for 70 rand. That is small. It is for 60 rand. Thus, as you can see, it is 28 rand. That is 30 and more of this and that. That is cute. Then we have the nappies. And there is nappies. Okay, this got some nappies extra large is 119.99 rand. So it's 120. Also 120 thus is premium nappy 17 rand. That is also oh 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 girls and nappies new 50. Cute dresses. Two combined, so it's combined for 50 rand. Okay. Cute shoes. Girls. For 40. 50. Sorry for that, guys. Then we have this. Two for 70 rand. Wow. Red, green, silver. Then you have the stars, small baggings, small Christmas tree. Wow. Isa.
Wat doen we? Oh, maak je video. Waar is je opa?